Hi friends, let us do some of the important passes and unka importance in the Himalayas. Now we will start first with the passes, how to remember the passes. Remember these passes not only along with the name of the passes and unka importance, but also in which state do they lie. So some passes, unka states, I am not doing all the passes, I am doing only what is required for examination. What is required? The passes having some importance is required. The first pass, which lies in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, is the Burzil Pass. Which state? In the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The second pass, which lies in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, is the Zojila Pass. It is Zojila. La itself means pass, so many times we refer Zojila Pass, but actually it is a wrong usage because the pass itself means La. So Zojila Pass, what is the importance of a Zojila Pass? Zojila Pass is a connecting link, or you can remember National Highway NH1D passes through this Zojila Pass. National Highway 1D, which is a highway connecting Srinagar with Leh. Leh is in the Leh Ladakh Plateau region, passes through the Zojila Pass. Through the Zojila region. So the two important passes in the state of Jammu and Kashmir are Zojila and the Burzil Pass. Then the other pass which is important is Bara Lachala Pass in the state of Himachal Pradesh. And the other important pass is the Shipkila Pass. So the first important is Bara Lachala. Why it is important? Because the Manali-Leh highway passes through this region. So it connects Manali with the Leh, Manali in Himachal Pradesh and Leh in the Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir. So Manali-Leh highway passes through the Bara Lachala. The second important pass here is the Shipkila Pass. The second important pass here is Shipkila, most important because the river Satluj enters India through the Shipkila Pass region. The river Satluj enters India through the Shipkila Pass region. Where are these two passes located? These are located in the Himachal Pradesh region. Shipkila and Bara Lacha are located in the Himachal Pradesh region. The third important passes are Nitila, is the Nitila and Lepule in the Uttarakhand. So the third important is Nitila and Lipule. It is the Nitila and Lipule Pass. Which states are they located? They are located in the Uttarakhand. What is the importance of a Nitila? Nitila joins Uttarakhand with the Tibetan region. As such, you don't worry too much about the importance, but Lipule is important. Why? Because the annual Mansarovar Yatra. The annual Mansarovar Yatra, which is an important pilgrimage yatra for Indians, for Nepalis, through Indians, the annual Mansarovar Yatra passes through the Lipule region. So it is a route which is used for the Mansarovar Yatra. It is a route which is used for the Mansarovar Yatra. If it is not visible, I will write here. Lipule is used for route for Mansarovar Yatra. route for the Mansarovar Yatra region. Then the other important pass here in between Sikkim, in the Sikkim region, is the Nathula Pass. Why is the Nathula important? Nathula is important because it is an important trade route between India and China. Then is the Jalepla. Again, it comes, this both are in the state of Sikkim. Nathula and Jalepla is in the Sikkim. Jalepla connects the Darjeeling region with the Tibet. And last important pass here is the pass of Bomdila, which lies in the Arunachal Pradesh. So the last important pass here is the pass of Bomdila, which lies in the Arunachal Pradesh. Again connecting Arunachal with the Tibetan region. So what are this pass? Burzil Pass, Jammu Kashmir. So the passes of Jammu and Kashmir are Burzil and Zojila. The passes of Himachal Pradesh, the important passes of Himachal Pradesh are Bara Lachala and Shipkila. Why is Shipkila important? Because river Satluj enters India through the Shipkila Pass. Obviously, when it is entering India, it will cut down the Himalayas, and therefore, in this Himalayan region, river Satluj makes a very deep gorge, which cuts down the Himalayan region. So it makes a very deep gorge, and that pass is known as an Shipkila Pass. It enters India through the Shipkila region. The important passes in the states of Uttarakhand are Nitila and Lipule. Lipule is important because it is a route for annual Mansarovar Yatra. So Mansarovar Yatra passes through which? Lipule. Obviously this pass lies at the junction of India and Nepal. Then is the Nathula, which is in the state of Sikkim, and Jalepla again in the state of Sikkim. So the passes of Sikkim are Nathula and Jalepla. Nathula is an important trade route between India and China. It is an important trade route between the India and China. Obviously, Jalepla is also connecting link between India and China, that is India and Tibet. And lastly, the pass of Arunachal, that is the Bomdila. It is Bomdila. Now, how are the questions asked? Questions can be asked the important passes of the state of Jammu Kashmir, important passes of the state of Himachal Pradesh. Many times a question has been asked that the pass through which river Satluj enters India is what? Shipkila Pass. It is located in which state? Obviously the Shipkila Pass is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. So the Shipkila Pass is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. This entire region is Himachal. This is Uttarakhand. That is Sikkim. And this is the state of Arunachal. So Jammu Kashmir, two important passes are there, that they are Burzil and Zojila. Zojila's importance I have told you. It is for Srinagar-Leh highway, the highway which was in the news during the Kargil war, the highway which is strategically very important for India. After that, the Himachal Pradesh mein the most important pass is Shipkila. UK, that is Uttarakhand, important pass is Lipule. But UPSC many times has asked that in which state does the Nitila lie? It lies in the state of Uttarakhand. And then the Pass Nathula in Sikkim, trade route between India and China. Jelepla on the other side, it is a connecting link between Darjeeling and Tibet, and Bomdila between Arunachal and China, that is India and China. So Bomdila do it very well. The second type of a question can be asked is very simple question, that is the Bomdila or Nathula or Jelepla lie very near to the area where where the river Satluj enters India, whether this statement is right or wrong. So obviously you know river Satluj enters India and through the Himachal Pradesh, while Jelepla, Bomdila, Nathula lie in the northeastern part of India, so that is the wrong statement. So do this passes well from west to east. I hope that you have followed the lecture properly, so that abhi now it is looking thoda hodgepodge, but it is very easy if it was clean when I first started. So do this passes from east to west and uska importance. Okay, so we'll meet again with the middle Himalaya. Thank you very much.